What is up, guys? This is me here, and I have finally received my little package. So this is like, yeah, I've already opened the package, but everybody does unboxing, so I mean, what the crap? Why not me? So we have some like stupid little woman on the package saying what's up, and it is Diamond. Diamond. One-touch video capture. And yeah. La-dee-dee, la-dee-da. I don't know if there's really anything else. Oh my goodness. That's cool. YouTube, laptop, console, video, audio, all that crap. Is that Grand Theft Auto 4 up there? That is so Grand Theft Auto 4. Oh, that's Grand Theft Auto 4. Alright, well, anyway. Good. It is now time to do the actual unopening, which I have no knife for. Whee! Oh. So yes, I have long been awaiting this. Bought it from Amazon. There will be a link in the description to it. $32.99 or $31.99 did the free Super Saver shipping. Oh my god, screw your plastic. Screw your plastic, man. Wow, plastic. Dun 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 dun. And oh god. What else is falling out of here? Oh, that would be my installation CD for something or another. This and this would be an empty box. And there's something else that fell on the floor right there. This would be our one-touch video capture Diamond quick start guide. Yeah, because we need this. We're pros. We don't need this. Pages, pages, pages. Look! Pages! How fast can you read? Can you read all that? Y'all can't read all that. Okay, so we have an installation CD and we have the actual kit, which looks like it can open like a book. Let's try this. Holy crap. And it opens like a book. Like a book. Because it's a boss. Shiny! God, man, I'm going to be playing with this now because it's shiny. Ooh, shiny. Okay, so that's all good and stuff. And this is it. And we actually get cables with it. That's cool. That's cool because I need that. I need the cables. We got the USB here. And, let's see. We got like a power light, a record light. Power light, record light. The record button, you know. What else? Got your S-video, your audio and your video. So that's cool, that's cool. We shall be, I guess, heck, let's put the CD in and installate it. Installate it. We shall installate the CD. That little CD right there. Turtle Beaches. Just had to. Turtle Beaches. And yes, I got iHeartRadio playing in the background. Y'all probably can't hear that though. Oh, let me just see. And unplug that. I don't know who's. I'm in a party with someone. Don't know who though. do know who though. But anyway, let's exit this. Dun 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 Minecraft. And this would be Minecraft's background. Now if this will just come out all the way, and we can have our CD fall into our hands. Fall you. That's cool. Just, I so don't do laptop CD players or DVD drives or whatever. And we put that in there. Y'all are looking at my email. What are y'all doing? Minecraft. This would be, though, Minecraft background. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. The players has the little people in the background. Anyway, we shall run it. Blah blah blah. You just want to say yes there. And I don't know how much more further I'm going with this. It's called Pop That Up. We're going to the heck is clicking? Is that my CD? Oh god, that's not good. Oh well, I shall peace out. Or technically we gotta, actually install the thing. That was an unboxing though. So I'll do an installation here in a minute. Peace out.